1.5 million adults of all ages in the U.S. are losing control. Their mind says move, but their body freezes. Muscles stiffen, joints move slowly, or they have uncontrollable tremors. Every movement is a constant battle for control. This is Parkinson's disease. You can help break the chain that binds us. Last year, 450 people came to Coca-Cola Field in Buffalo to walk and move towards a cure. We raised $68,000 for research and education to fight Parkinson's disease. This year, on Saturday, September 7th, 2013, the National Parkinson's Foundation of Western New York is sponsoring the second annual Moving Day. Now I know some of us are wiggling in our seat to get all the information, but keep calm and click on www.npfwny.org, and here you will get more information on Parkinson's disease and how to support a team on Moving Day, and how to donate to find a cure. It takes just a moment. Moving Day this year in Buffalo is on Saturday, September 7th, 2013 at Coca-Cola Field. Activities start moving at 8:30 a.m. Now get moving and do whatever it takes to beat Parkinson's.